Birdas was an Indian mystic poet and saint in the 15th century. Every day, people from far off places would come to attend satsang at Sant Kabir's place. Kabir suggested that truth is with the person who is on the path of righteousness, considered all creatures on earth as his own self, and who is detached from the affairs of this world. To know the truth, Kabir suggested drop the I or the ego.
ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का आपा खोए, अपना तन शीतल करे, औरों को सुख होए. Meaning, speak such words without the ego's manipulative ways, that not only your body remains composed, you also give your listeners joy through your words. Keep the slanderer near you, build him a hut in your courtyard, for without soap or water, he will scrub your character clean. So, dear friends, those who malign you are in fact your benefactors. Actually, be thanking them.
It's not easy to cultivate all these qualities of patience, understanding, love, and wisdom. To develop all this, my friends, you should meditate daily. Meditation also helps you to get serenity and bliss. So now let's meditate.
After everyone left, a young man came. He said that he had something to ask Saint Kabir.
I am a householder and I always get in fight with my wife. I want to know why I have so much trouble at home and how I can overcome it.
Kabir kept quiet for a while. Then he called his wife and said,
Bring me a lighted lantern.
Kabir's wife went back and brought a lighted lantern. The man was surprised and thought to himself,
Why did Kabir ask for a lighted lantern in such a bright afternoon?
After a while, Kabir again called his wife and said,
Listen, bring me some sweet.
This time, instead of something sweet, his wife came back with some snacks and gave it to Kabir. Seeing this, the man thought,
This is probably a house of lunatics. Salty snacks instead of sweets and lantern in a daytime.
With a disappointed look on his face, the young man said,
Kabirji, I am leaving.
Saint Kabir asked,
Is your problem solved now? Or is there something more you want to know?
The man replied,
Solved? What kind of solution is this? I didn't understand anything. Why do you need a lighted lantern in such a bright afternoon? Kabir replied, When I asked for a lighted lantern, my wife could have said, Are you crazy? Why do you need lantern during such a bright afternoon? But she thought I might need it for some work. So she brought it without saying anything. When I asked for sweet, she brought back salty snacks. Maybe there was nothing sweet in the house. So she brought snacks. That's what I thought, and didn't say anything. What's there to dispute about it? When we avoid fighting and trust each other, we can save ourselves from getting into a quarrel. Love cannot be grown on trees or bought in the market. But if one wants to be loved, one must first know how to give love.